Right now, while you're watching this, two galaxies are on a collision course. One of them is ours. And there is nothing anyone can do to stop it. 2.5 million light-years away sits Andromeda, our closest large galactic neighbor. It's actually visible to the naked eye on a dark, clear night, a faint smudge of light that is, in truth, 1 trillion stars. That's roughly twice as many as the Milky Way holds. Andromeda isn't just bigger, it's approaching. Astronomers have measured its motion using the shift in its light, and the number is staggering. Andromeda is closing the distance at about 250,000 miles per hour. Fast enough to circle the Earth in under 6 minutes. At that speed, in roughly 4 billion years, it will reach us. This isn't speculation. In 2012, Hubble's Space Telescope data confirmed Andromeda's sideways motion was small enough that a direct collision, not a near miss, is the near certain outcome. Gravity has been pulling our two galaxies together since long before life existed on Earth. And it will keep pulling until they finally touch. Here's the part almost nobody expects. When it happens, barely anything will actually crash into anything else. Stars are so far apart, even packed into a trillion-star galaxy, that the empty space between them is almost unimaginable. If you shrank the Milky Way down to the size of the United States, every single star would be smaller than a grain of sand, separated by miles of empty road. The odds that our sun collides with another star are close to zero. But gravity doesn't need contact to cause chaos. As the two galaxies interlock, their combined gravity will stretch spiral arms into long glowing streamers of stars and gas, flung hundreds of thousands of light-years across space. Our own solar system will very likely get tossed to a new position in the merging galaxy. Possibly farther out, possibly flung temporarily into intergalactic space before drifting back in. And deep in the center, the two supermassive black holes, one in the heart of the Milky Way, one in the heart of Andromeda, will spiral toward each other and eventually merge, releasing a burst of gravitational waves that ripple across the universe. Over the following 2 billion years, the wreckage settles. The two spiral galaxies lose their shape entirely and collapse into one enormous elliptical galaxy. No more spinning arms, just a smooth, glowing haze of old stars. Astronomers already have an unofficial name for it, Milkomeda. If anything is still around to look up at the night sky by then, they won't see two galaxies anymore. They'll see one, vast, ancient, and glowing, the final shape of everything the Milky Way and Andromeda ever were. 4 billion years from now, our galaxy disappears, and something bigger takes its place. Subscribe, and let me know if you could watch it happen from a safe distance. Would you?